So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to MacArthur Industries. We're over here in AllBrand Caravan Services, and we want to have a chat to you today about the conversation about vans and age, and thinking about what you need to do with resealing them, and given the opportunity where you don't have this sort of scenario come back and look at you in the face and go, oh geez, I didn't think about this, about the age of my van and manufacturing time wise. So when we say that, a lot of the vans in the era, I would say 10 years ago, some of the manufacturers were using some of the foam tapes going through. Some of the foam tapes that have been used were great, some weren't, but also thinking about that over time, dependent where they've lived, dependent where they've been, dependent what sort of heat they've been in, some of these sort of materials deteriorate. A lot of us think about the conversation around, people say about going through and resealing your van and going through and making sure that the seals are all looked after and going through so we don't have water ingress and dramas like this. So guys, if you're out there in the marketplace and you're thinking about resealing your van, got to think about where you're heading with that. Just going through and doing a secondary seal around the top of some of your true line moulding, doing secondary seal around some of your hatches and stuff like that, sometimes won't cut it. And when you've got some great manufacturers out there and also some great repairers out there, it might scare you in the thoughts of what's going to happen when they go to reseal a van. It might be all your hatches out, all your windows out, all your doors off, all your trims off. It can be a major, major concern, but the thing is, you go back into this scenario where you start having to rebuild backs of vans, rebuild interiors of vans, it's worthwhile looking at. So if you ever need any resealing, give us a call, we're here to look after you. But also, if you're anywhere in Australia, see some of your main repairers out there and they'll probably back us up in this conversation. We'll be able to help you look at doing resealing, but think about the way it gets done to make sure you're getting the right resealing done. Have a good day and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.